Everyone knows Grok AI can generate endless images and videos. And if you watched my last tutorial, you know how to create long-form AI videos. But there's one massive, game-changing secret most people don't know. Grok AI can create full-length music videos, complete with a consistent main character, a fixed, professional style, and perfectly smooth, lip-synced motion from start to finish. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you the exact 5-step workflow to create a stunning 60-second AI music video using Grok, Suno AI, and a few clever, high-leverage tools. Before we dive in, check out this final result again. With this process, you can create high-quality, long-form AI content and dominate your YouTube niche at an absolutely insane speed. Let's do this. Step 1. Create the soundtrack with Suno AI. The music is the foundation, so we start here. Head over to Suno AI. You get 50 free credits daily, so you can test and create guilt-free. Click Create and use a highly specific, pro-level prompt. I use this one. I want a modern, energetic electropop track with clean, polished, high-end production. Bright, smooth synths combined with sharp, punchy drums to create a dynamic, forward-driving rhythm. The overall vibe should reflect feminine confidence, boldness, and star-like charm. A female vocalist should deliver catchy hooks and a powerful, exciting chorus that feels motivating and uplifting. The sound should feel cinematic, luxurious. Click Create and let Suno work its magic. Once the tracks are ready, play them back, choose your favorite, and download the track. Pro tip: Suno is copyright friendly. Just remember to credit them in your video description. Step 2. Design the star in Google Whisk. Now for the fun part, designing our music video star. Open Google Whisk. Describe the character you want. I designed a young woman with short blonde hair, a leather jacket, boots, and a guitar. Once she's generated, place her image into the subject section. This locks in her look. Now we create her scenes, ensuring the same character is in every one. Scene 1. Generate a scene with a modern loft atmosphere. Scene 2. Create a neon performance style environment. Scene 3. Set her on a dramatic rooftop. Remember, all my exact scene prompts are available in the Google Drive link below. After generating and approving your scenes, download all the final images. Step 3. Bring the scenes to life in Grok AI. Time to turn these images into high-quality video clips. Critical step. Before you start, disable automatic video generation. Go to Profile, Settings, Behavior, and turn off automatic video generation. This gives you full control. Upload your first scene image and use this simple but powerful prompt. She is just looking at the camera. Her eyes aren't looking anywhere else. Repeat this process, upload image, add the prompt, generate video for all your scenes. When all your clips are ready, download them all. Step 4. Achieve perfect lip sync with Dreamface. This is where the magic of seamless character performance happens. Go to the Dreamface website. Under Avatar Video, upload one of your Grok clips. Under Audio, upload your Suno song. The free solution: Dreamface limits free lip syncing to 30 seconds. The workaround? Split your song into 30-second segments and process each part separately. It takes a minute, but the quality is worth it, and it keeps your budget at zero. Click Generate. Your clip will be ready in moments. Big tip: the web version often adds a watermark and lowers quality. Get the mobile app for high-quality, watermark-free exports. Download the final lip-synced video clip. Step 5. Final polish and assembly. It's time for final editing. I use Filmora, but any editor works. Place your complete Suno music track onto the editing timeline. Drop all your lip-synced Dreamface clips below it. Mute the original audio on all the video clips. Now, it's simple syncing. Cut, rearrange, speed up, or slow down the Grok clips to perfectly match the beat and energy of your music. Hit play on the final result, and you're done. And that is the full workflow. You have just created a full AI music video with a consistent character, a professional, fixed style, and high quality that is ready for YouTube. If you hit any snags or have any questions about the prompts, drop them in the comments below. I reply to absolutely everyone. What's the next AI project you want to tackle? Let me know.